Good morning. Yeah, right now, ito si Ma'am. I think one of the gorgeous bikers here in Tak, right? All right. Hello, Ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, tayo para maporo.
Oh yeah. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, how are you today?
Feeling amazing.
Wow.
You know,
Yeah.
it makes you happy.
Oo nga eh, di ba? See, Ma'am, where you from?
I'm from Makati City.
Wow. Meaning you bike from Makati, go straight here?
No, we ride from Manila with the car and then nagbike kami going here.
Okay.
Tinitingnan muna namin kung kakayanin namin from Manila straight to Tak. Medyo mahaba-haba mukhang.
Okay, pero you know,
Yeah.
make it try. Why not, di ba?
I'm going to try one.
Okay, all right. So, how long you've been doing this?
Since the pandemic actually.
Okay, meaning 3 years?
Yeah.
4 years?
2020, 4 years.
Okay, so si Ma'am lalong sumisexy, gumagorgeous sa kanyang ang kanyang outfit at kanyang bike. Okay, so you're alone or you're with a
With a
group?
group.
Okay, naiwan ka na gano'n, no?
Kaya
Hinihintay mo lang.
Tsaka uwi na kasi ako sa church.
Okay. That's nice. Nagbike ka na.
And mahirap kasi pag nakabid, you have to remove everything.
Yeah, exactly. The good thing, nakabike ka na, and then one thing, sabay na yung church. Kasi ito na. So, how long? Palagi ka bang nandito sa Tak o kayo? Every Sunday, regularly.
Hindi naman totally every Sunday.
Okay.
Siguro once, twice a month.
Oh, but,
Ng Sunday.
oh, alright. Oh, are you working or studying or what? We're working na.
We have our own business.
Wow, di ba? So, ma'am, sige nga. Ano nga, bike check nga tayo. Ayan, gusto ko lang bike check yung kay ma'am. So, ang ganda ng bike mo, ma'am. So, ma'am, magkano yung bike?
Yan, entry lang yan ng mga ano.
Magkano yung kanong deal na
Ikaw
yan?
pala nag-i-interview ng mga magkano, ha?
Hindi naman. Ma'am, magkano?
Interview yung bike niya, hindi niya sa sinabi.
Di ba? So, I think
Less than naman to. Less than 60 Gs.
500?
Hindi, less than 60 Gs. So, hindi pumabot ng 100.
Eh,
Oo nga.
di nga.
Oo nga.
Ah, di ba?
Oo.
See? Magkakanong deal siya. Almost, di ba?
Isang upgrade na lang. Abot
So,
na.
meaning, entry pa yan for you,
Lang, ano,
Talaga?
yan.
Wow.
Cycling enthusiast.
Sige. Ma'am, dos na mga like, kagaya mo ng mga ladies na gustong mag-bike o mag-start, anong mga advice mo sa kanila?
Well, you should start now. Because
Yeah.
first, it's good for the health. It's good for the mind, body, and soul. It's relaxing. It's gonna make you focus on things. And exercise makes you happy.
Yeah, exactly, di ba? Nakita nyo na yung result, no? It's for, it's only for 3 years. So si ma'am, nandito every other
Kasi nung
Sunday.
pandemic, di ba, kang kasabihan, hindi na usong payamanan
Yeah, exactly.
at pasikatan. Ang gusto na is pasiglahan
Mhm.
ng katawan.
Health is wealth,
Dahil,
no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the healthy
so-
you are, the happy you are. Pasayahan na ng buhay. Kung masaya ka, kung healthy ka, happy ka. Tingnan mo yung mga may sakit.
Tama. Ahin
Less
mo yung
happiness.
Sak,
Kasi
di ba?
they're going through something.
Very true yan, ma'am. Dahil dyan, thank you very much, for this. I'm honored to ma-interview ka. Ma'am, what is your name again?
Priya
Priya
Villanueva.
Villanueva.
Follow me on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, okay, sige nga.
CRIA Villanueva.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am, and take care. Thank you.